Happy Thursday, everyone. Some more Camping with the Schraggs here. It's only me today. Heather will be with us tomorrow. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications of new videos we put out. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. So we are heading down to Barkcamp State Park in Belmont, Ohio. We've been here 3 or 4 times. It's a really nice state park. They have a group camping section that allows you to put in 9 campers. You could actually fit more if you want, but we stopped at 9 just so it didn't get crowded. $456 to rent the whole group camping from Thursday night until Sunday. And then we're just going to divide that by 9 people, so it's going to be like 50-some bucks for the whole weekend per RV. Not too bad.
Wow, they have paved the road going to Barkcamp. This is awesome. This used to be the absolute worst road ever. Just rolled in to Barkcamp group camping, and there's 4 of us here so far.
I didn't see it on there though.
It was on the sticker. Oh, her eyes are glowing.
So I think we have enough wood.
They did. Yeah, Matt.
That's some wood. Think we got enough wood?
started it, and then
What do you think, Mike? I think we might be in danger. What are you doing?
bone,
What are you making?
bloody.
Bloody Marys. 11:24. We're getting a late start. So we got a nice surprise today. Lynn and Mike Wagner started handing out their Swag Nation shirts, and we all have our name on the back. Thank you, Lynn and Mike.
He fell off her bike again.
What? Go whip it by me. This is like rally around the family. This is the electric gang. Kenny's got a new designated driver.
Oh my god.
Turn it, baby. Turn it, baby. Come on. So Schraggs, we know how to whip it, baby. Whip it back, whip it back, whip it back, whip it back. Whip it. Go, we gotta go fast. You gotta turn that wheel, baby. Turn that wheel.
Wrong way, wrong way.
Turn the wheel right here, man. You ready? We about to do a wheelie. You ready?
Be careful.
I don't know if his designated driver is better than him or not.
Roll this way, baby. Me and my main man.
Hey everybody, Saturday afternoon. It's kind of crazy here at Barkcamp for our first end of summer group camp of super cool people. Hope we don't get hit here by Kenny and his new designated driver. But we're trying to, trying to record a video here. We just wanted to say thanks for everybody coming, and this is actually a pretty cool little spot. You can only get about 9, maybe 11 campers in here. Anything you want to say?
How much was it for the whole?
So we rented from Thursday to Sunday, $456 and some change.
With us this weekend are M&M's, Mike and Melanie.
In their Airstream.
In their Airstream. And right next to them are the Clappers, Ronnie, Marcia, Ryan, and Matthew. And then, of course, it's the Schraggs.
And it's Schraggs unit.
Schraggs unit.
Looking pretty as ever.
And right next to us are the Wandering Wagners, Mike and Lynn in their Wraith. And then we have, following the Fitches, Dave and Andrea.
Newcomers to the group.
Newcomers to the group. This is the Ritters.
You have to speak up because of the microphone.
Ralph and Tasha.
Which there's Tasha. Pete. And Sean.
And we have Pete and Sean, and they are friends of Kicking It with Kenny.
Mm-hmm. Then we have another Super C over here. They're watching the OSU game.
And then we have Gary. We've now officially nicknamed Gary G.
Yeah, well, Kenny named him G.
Kenny named him G, so that is G's camper.
And then, of course, in the VIP spot.
Because he never gets here on time, never for anything.
And we knew he wasn't going to unhook.
We have Kenny. Kicking It with Kenny and Miss Jackie.
That's right.
So
this is a perfect spot for a group. You have this large fire pit. It's probably about, what would you say, 4 or 5 foot in diameter. And yeah, we have a little bit of wood here. But
it's been going non-stop.
It's non-stop, and we've barely touched it. So I think all of us are going to be taking presents home of
wood.
But yeah, this is a great place to come if you want to put a group together.
Here,
it's not rented out all that often.
No, here's the only thing bad about having this much wood. We've burned wood since the wood was delivered. However, we're running out of room in the fire pit because we've got so much ash.
Yeah.
We're not quite sure what we're going to do about that. So keep burning wood.
Yeah.
We can have ashes 6 foot off the fire ring. Doesn't matter. There you have it.
Thanks everybody for coming, and maybe we can make this a yearly thing.
Pretty fun.
Hey, man.
It's Ruby. What do you guys think?
Ready.
You ready to go?
That's the one thing, man. I wish it was like an elephant. I wish I can get off the next floor. It's catch a floor with this motherfucker.
Now we know how much to.
Could you take it to LA?
Yeah, a little accurate.
Hey, now we know how back to still deep feels like.
Oh, my God.
That's nice.
Hey, listen, man. Look at everything in enough room with a smart car. It might not be smart to get an accident in. The jaws of life will have trouble getting us out of here.
Okay, go ahead.
Move it out a little bit more. Yeah. I'll cut your sausage and your cob.
Here we are at Barkcamp State Park and having a little low country boil, right? What do you think? Good? So we're going to do a food review. We got some shrimp, some kielbasa, some corn. What do you think of it? You think it's good? Yeah?
No.
Let's cheers our corn. Oh, yeah.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. What a great weekend this has been. This is just something I threw together real quick because of the Ritters. We come down here and they had all their friends one night, and it was just such a cool setting for 9 to 11 campers. I'm like, shit, I could throw together 9 to 11 campers, easy. And that's what we did, and it has turned out to be quite the trip. Thank everybody for coming, and can't wait to do it again.
bro? Keep going. Keep going. I gotta get this motherfucker going. We gotta get shaky. I put this motherfucker down. You want the pig in this shit. Hurry up and get on by that RV over there. Hold on, boy. I'm cold hot up under there.
It's like...
I'm moving. Clap, Daddy. What you think?
Okay.
Clap Daddy say thumbs up. Clap Daddy say thumbs up.
If it would just stay that big, that'd be great.
Oh, let's go do it.
It's going.
It's going to the wall.
All right, everybody, that's a wrap for the Super Cool People group camping at Barkcamp State Park. We had a great time. Thanks everybody for coming. And there's only Gary left way over there and the Clappers.
Everybody else is gone.
Yep, everybody else is gone. We had a great time and hope to do it again.
Yep. You ready to get out of here, babe?
I'm ready.
Until we talk to you guys again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye-bye.